Okay, hello everyone. Today we are going to make a immune boosting smoothie. So what do we need for this? Is we need one of those blenders if you have one, or if you have one of these blenders, they work even better. They're really amazing. So one or the other can do the job. I'm going to use this one today because they're really fun to use. So let's get going. Okay, so what do I have on with my ingredients today? I have a banana, or a banana is one of those superfoods. It does the job for a lot of things. It's full of energy, there's a lot of vitamins, a lot of fibers, really good. We will have a apple. Again, apple, lot of vitamins, a lot of fibers, a lot of minerals, really good for you too. We got kiwi, same stuff, they all do the same, these ones. We have a bit of grapes here that I've got as well, and I have spinach. Spinach is full of calcium, is full of iron, is really good for your bones, and the iron is really good for your blood. It helps the blood transport oxygen and carbon dioxide in and out of your lungs, so it's amazing vegetable to have. So what else do I have? I have some nuts here. I've chosen to use some hazelnuts. It's full of healthy fats. It's really good for you. A lot of these vegetables, apples and these nuts have proved that they are good to fight against cancer. Kiwi helps reduce your blood pressure. And what else do we have? I forgot to mention, we have a little bit of honey, just because it's really good for your immune system too. Okay, so I've washed all these vegetables, I've washed my hands, I've tied my hair. Let's get cooking. Alright, so let's take our spinach, handful of spinach, put it all in here at the bottom. Super simple. There you go. Alright, I'll put all my grapes in there. I peel my banana. I struggle a bit and cut here. There we go. Put my banana in there. Kiwi, believe it or not, you can eat the skin of it. It's full of fiber, it's really good for your gut. So keep the skin going, you don't have to peel anything, chuck it in there. Then your apple, very important with apples, is to make sure you take all the little pits out, because they're not really that good for you. So if you cut your apples in 4, just like this, and you cut one side, there you go. Get rid of these pits, you don't want them. And your last one. Fantastic. Take this one off. Chuck it in there. And that's all your goodness in it. Let's get a little spoon of honey, just because it's really good for your health. There you go. Fantastic. Get some nuts in there. There you go. Less than a handful. That's it done. Now I'm going to add some water till half full, maybe a little bit above half full. Let's do this. Make sure the blade is fixed really tight to it. Okay. And let's do magic happen. done. Now if you look at the color, it does look a little bit weird. My kids call it Shrek poo, but it's really delicious. Cheers everyone. Oh, great. And this is 100% pure goodness, really good for your health. Okay, no need of taking vitamin tablets with this thing because that does the job for you. Okay, that was it for today. Very quick and easy, very good for your health. I hope you enjoy it. Okay everyone, stay safe, look after yourselves. See you later.